Good morning, everyone. This is Mr. Shields back again with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about finding solutions to linear inequalities as well as systems of linear inequalities. So I'm only going to go over two examples because I think if you pay very close attention to what I did in lesson 10, this is in some ways just kind of a restatement of what we did last week here. So if you haven't done lesson 10 or you're still not comfortable with lesson 10, I would suggest you go back and watch the previous video before we go ahead and dive right in. So with that having been said, I wrote my first example up here, 2x minus 3y is less than 6 here, using my Desmos calculator here. And if I take a look at it, we'll see this blue shaded area here. And so I need to find some ordered pairs that would be a solution to it. So what does that mean? So in other words, I need a set of points that's in this blue shaded area. And so just looking at it, I think -2 and 3 would be potential solutions. And you see that green dot. Another ordered pair could be what? 0, comma 4. And so we see that purple dot that's also in the shaded area. And then we could do another example, let's say 4, comma 6. And that's also a potential answer here, all right? So what if you have a system of linear inequalities? What is a system of linear inequalities, you might ask? Well, really that is just two linear inequalities put together where there's going to be some overlap here. So let's go ahead and I'll write down the next example here. Okay, so I've got y is less than 3x minus 2. And then the next one, y is greater than negative x plus 3. Okay, so now we've got a few shaded areas. But if you remember from our last video, the shaded area that we're concerned about is this shaded area right here. Those are where all our potential solutions are going to be. And so we're going to need a set of ordered pairs that's in this shaded area. So what could work here? So just eyeballing it here, I think 8 and 2 would work. And I see that green dot here in the shaded area, so that's good. I could also say maybe, let's do 7, -2, for instance. Okay, so I see my purple dot here. That's also in the shaded area. And then finally, for good measure, let's say 4, comma 2. And there's my black dot. That's also a potential solution. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell when you're trying to find solutions to linear inequalities as well as systems of linear inequalities. So make sure that you take care of this lesson. We only have one more to go here, so we're almost at our conclusion here. So look forward to seeing you guys in our next and final video. Bye.